Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making an exciting muffin called Morning Glory Muffins, and it's my version of this. These are delicious and moist muffins that have a little bit of grated carrot, grated apple, some raisin, nuts, and coconut. So it has a nice mix of fiber and protein, and of course you've got a little bit of carbs in there too. And it's a great way to start your day in the morning, or to have for a snack anytime during the day. So let's get right to making these. Line your muffin tins with some paper liners. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so let's start with a medium-sized mixing bowl. Crack open 3 large eggs and add them to the bowl. And it helps to have your ingredients pre-poured ahead of time. So add 3/4 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. I start by using the paddle attachment on my mixer, and because it's muffins you can't overmix them, so just gently mix them until they're just combined and that's it. Peel, wash, and grate some fresh carrots. So you'll need about 2 cups of grated carrot. Peel 1 whole apple and grate that, and that should be about 1 cup of grated apple. I added the apple to the mixing bowl. Then I added 1 cup of canola oil and 2 cups of grated carrots. It doesn't matter what order you put those in, as you just put them in all together and start mixing it up again. And like I said, you don't want to overmix a muffin batter, you just mix it until it's combined. Now we can start adding some of the dry ingredients. So you'll need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and add that to the batter. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salt really helps accentuate the flavor. Next is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And this is probably the spice that's used the most when it comes to apples and carrots. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and mix it until there's no pockets of flour left in the batter. And once again, you can see the consistency of the batter here. It's thickened up quite nicely. At this point, remove the paddle attachment and the bowl from the mixer stand. Use your large spoon and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Measure and add 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Add 1/2 cup of sweet and flaky coconut. And also 1/2 cup of raisins. And finally 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. Then mix these in by hand. Stir just long enough until you combine all these ingredients equally. So they should be well distributed throughout the batter. So we've already prepared our muffin tins, and we're ready to just drop the batter directly into the paper liners. Of course, it depends how large you'd like your muffins, how much you fill it up at this point. I filled them right to just below the brim, because I wanted to have a medium-sized muffin. I didn't want it to be too big. I wanted the muffins to come up just above the brim a little bit and not have a very big muffin top. And because this muffin has a lot of ingredients in it, I do want it to cook through properly and be nice and moist. So this size reduces the baking time as well. It only takes about 20 minutes in the oven. And the way I'm doing it here, I got 20 muffins out of that batter. Okay, into the oven it goes. Then we'll do a little cleanup while we're waiting for them to bake. And don't forget to set your timer for about 20 minutes. When the timer goes, remove them from the oven and let them cool off a little bit. I like to place them on a wire rack so that they can get air circulation around them and they don't sweat so much. These are a very moist muffin and packed full of nutrients. And of course you can eat them right away if you like them warm fresh from the oven. I prefer to let them cool off, and I even like it better the day after they've been baked when they've been in the fridge for a little bit. I just find that after some time it allows the flavor to soak in better. If you put them in the fridge in an airtight container, they'll keep in the fridge for up to a week, and they also freeze really well. There you have my version of Morning Glory muffins. And thanks for watching today's episode of Best Recipes with Sharon. And until next time, happy eating and go make some.